Start na.
Reminder, sentences or words are meant figuratively, only being open-minded. Thank you. This is the summary. Our lesson. Dear classmates, good day. We know English is very hard. For you to stop writing suicide notes and planning your apparent death scene, here are a few reminders. Always flirt, praise, and be a fan of boys. You know why? Coordinating conjunctions. We have there the keyword fanboys. For and nor, but or yet so. Kuya.
Number 2. So is like like Leonardo. We have collection. So is like a boss because it mainly focuses on the main 3 clause of sentence. Then number 3. Mental health is common and just like come on, babe, not bad. Bobby. Ano?
The last one. You can love Santa Claus. So we can see here, coordinating conjunctions love. So you can use coordinating conjunctions to connect clauses. That's all. Thank you. Kuya. Mama.